2004 US quarter dollar coin. Welcome to our journey into the enigmatic world of numismatics. Today, we're diving deep into the remarkable story behind the 2004 US quarter dollar coin, an unassuming treasure hiding in plain sight. Hey everyone! Have you ever glanced at a quarter and thought it might be more than just 25 cents? Well, the 2004 US quarter dollar might just surprise you. Let's uncover its secrets. The coin's design. Designed by William Cousins, this quarter depicts the iconic Great Lakes, symbolizing the statehood of Michigan. But what makes this coin truly special lies beyond its surface. Expert interview, numismatist or coin collector. Expert, the 2004 US quarter, often overlooked, houses a hidden treasure for collectors. Due to a minting error, some coins possess a spitting moose anomaly, a small die crack above the moose's mouth, adding incredible value. Yes, you heard that right. The spitting moose error makes these quarters extremely sought after by collectors. Some have fetched prices in the thousands. A coin show or collector's event. I'm here at a coin show where enthusiasts are eagerly hunting for this elusive 2004 quarter. Let's see what they have to say. Various interviews with collectors. Collector 1, I've been searching for the spitting moose quarter for years. It's a holy grail in the coin collecting community. Collector 2, finding one in circulation would be like striking gold. The value these quarters hold is mind-blowing. It's astonishing how a small imperfection can turn a 25-cent coin into a valuable treasure. So next time you spot a 2004 US quarter, take a closer look. You might just hold a gem worth more than you think. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the hidden wonders of the 2004 US quarter. Remember, sometimes the smallest things hold the greatest value. See you next time. This script aims to capture the intrigue and fascination behind the often overlooked 2004 US quarter dollar, highlighting its design, history, and the surprising value it holds for collectors due to a minting error.